Hello, salam, marhaba, welcome to another video of MPerio This video is especially for all those candidates who are appearing in MPerio Edinburgh exam, which is going to held in November 2024 in Ajman. This will be your last opportunity to optimize your preparation. And let me remind you that our candidates have 75% first attempt success rate. So you still have time to take our 15 days crash course in which I'm going to provide solve written past papers plus Viva questions, and I have included the new questions which came in September 2024 Edinburgh exam. And you don't need to take off from your work, or it will not affect your preparation time. You just need to take out 1 hour daily for the next 15 days. At the end of this 15 days crash course, I'm going to take a mock exam just like RCS standard, and it will help you to familiarize with the exam environment and its difficulty level. Second option is that you can buy the exam material from us, and I have included the updated and the latest questions which came in September 2024 exam. That is very essential for your preparation, and it will help you to ace the exam in the first attempt. If you still have any query, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. I'm available 24/7. So best of luck and hope to hear from you soon.